Hello YouTube, I'm in bed right now, so this is another video from my bed. What we're doing is we're trying to implement those backend numbers, right? We have reset and sheet here, development center, as you can see. We open up this one, and we have our policies down in here. Each of our policies unlocks something. And then, what else? Yeah, so each policy unlocks something, but when you have money, so let's cheat economy. These need to have an effect in the world because it's gonna go inside of here and then it's gonna do nothing unless we tell it something to do with those enum-based variables. So let's try to use these enum-based variables real quick. Go here, boom. Actually we're gonna get all this thing and then maybe put it in the begin play. Event construct in the sequence even better. We can drag a big freaking line over here. T-map, yes. But what are we gonna do to these variables? Well, we can connect them to any of these variables here. So we have GDP. Wait a second. Yeah, we do have those variables, I guess. Yep. So everything works here. Or these could be connected to our WB info. Total factor, political approval index. Yeah. GDP. Some of them are not yet implemented though. So this could be a problem. We have approval. Unemployment rate. Then total state budget. We need an efficiency button. Yeah, so this is wrong. We need another thing. In a base variables. We're gonna do map. In a base variables. Here we're gonna do float, or we can do, yeah, it's float is fine. Select. No, it's not the right way of doing it. This is funny actually, I just realized. You could do this. Wow, that's funny. That's the GDP. EXP needed. No, I don't need level. To be honest, we need to reshuffle completely almost everything inside of this thing. But the good thing is here, we have done a great job on this one. For each, look at that. This is a great job. But we have a confusion between those ones and we have another base variables thing. You know, base variables. How many of them do you have? Enum outcomes. No. Enum base variables. Enum. Do we have another one? Exponential outcome. Wait a second. I'm pretty sure I worked today on this exact thing. Where is it? Did I make this? Did I do this kind of work on a different project? Oh yeah, it's right here. So it's on this project. So it's on this project. Variables. Yeah, so we need to think how we're gonna implement that. For example, switch. I think this is good. This is all right, maybe. Or instead of switch, we can also use select and do more things out of that. Select. Oh yeah, and could we plug in here these ones? Right. But this will return you the types of variables that are inside of here. We can also promote all these to variable. But this will only give us a return value actually. Will not give us all those things, will only give us a return of this one. For each, can we do a for each with this one? No. So that we can validate every single one by one on event we can play. It's not possible though, so what can we do really? Really, what can we do here? Let's see again our dirty sequence. I know it's dirty, guys, but we'll fix it later. We'll make it look cuter and everything. I promise you, it's not gonna be like this at the end. So with this one, I'm still thinking, what can we do? I think for this, we might need to ask the opinion of Gemini, to be honest. So what should we ask here? We should ask that we have these, this enum maybe? No. So for example, enum base variables. nice. I will go share my whole screen for this one. So turn off the window capture. Alright, and now we go to Gemini. I hope I didn't stream anything bad. Okay. It's my... Okay, so we need another type. Yeah, but we haven't implemented exactly the thing that we haven't implemented the full thing actually yet. So when you go make a change in effect here, not in this one. Policies. Should be in the game instance, right? No. It's not here. Here, here, and I think uh, 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 no, here, delete policy. No. I cannot find it, guys. Where's it at, man? Didn't we implement it somewhere here? Can you afford it? On the yes. It should be on the yes. Perhaps we removed it. So here we have outcomes again. I think I've put it on the level and somewhere where there's also level change and stuff like this. Update, yeah, this one. No, it's not here. Okay, so then I guess it should be inside of here. Where I have this one. Then you do set array element, I guess. Right. But it's not an array. It's a T map. That is not good news, guys. We turn two arrays into T map, but we cannot do set array, you know, this thing. Oh, we can actually. This array is referencing to this array. So we can do set array element item. This will work. Yeah, we have only if we have the item outcomes as a T map, so we do have that. So we want to save this thing here. How is this working? Yeah, okay. I guess we want to promote this to variable somehow. And let's do that then. We don't have that there. Okay. So get this thing again. Promote this to a variable. Outcomes. Okay. And so we can connect this one here. Get the outcomes. Oh, oops. Right there, yes. And then, bam. And then, bam. Right there, bam. Alright. Alright. And then I guess here too. But this should come from the outside though, right? Shouldn't it? Should come from the outside somewhere. How exactly? Level, oh. We're saving and we're updating. So we changed this thing also. We should change with the incoming data. The incoming data, shouldn't it be inside of here? I think so. This is the, should be the incoming data. So the incoming data comes from this one. So far so good. But what is this? This shouldn't change anything inside of here, right? It shouldn't, I think. Yeah. Only sets it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, we'll continue on the next video. Wow, 17 minutes long. Jeez.